In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Fidelity to Rocketmoney 2025, step by step. Let's get right into it. Start by opening the Rocketmoney app on your device and make sure you're logged in. Give it a second to load your dashboard. You'll want a stable internet connection here so nothing times out during the linking process. From your home screen, look for the linked account section. Depending on your layout, you might find it on the main dashboard or under your profile or settings. Tap it to open your connections area. This is where Rocketmoney manages all your banks, cards, and investment accounts. Next, use the search bar to find Fidelity. Type Fidelity and review the options that appear. If you have a standard brokerage or cash management account, choose Fidelity Investments. If your accounts are through an employer plan, such as a 401k, you may see a net benefits option. Pick the one that matches how you normally sign in to Fidelity. You'll now be prompted to log into Fidelity. Enter your credentials on the secure screen and be ready for multi-factor authentication if it's enabled. Approve the verification in your Authenticator app or via text as prompted. Only complete this within the app's secure flow. Never share codes with anyone and avoid switching away until the sign-in completes. Once signed in, Rocketmoney will show a list of available Fidelity accounts. Select the accounts you want to link, brokerage, retirement, or cash management, and deselect anything you don't want to appear in your budgets, net worth, or investments view. This is a good moment to keep things focused and avoid cluttering your dashboard. Confirm and finish the linking. You may see a permission screen explaining what data will be read. Rocketmoney connects in a read-only manner to pull balances and transactions so you can track and plan without moving money. Now wait for approval and the first sync to complete. This can take a minute or two. If it spins longer than expected, back out and refresh, or try again later. If a connection fails, double-check your Fidelity login, confirm you picked the correct Fidelity option, and ensure any security prompts were approved. After linking, review what comes in. Check balances, categorize any new transactions, and adjust your budgets or goals to reflect your investment accounts. Revisit this area periodically to keep categories tidy and insights accurate. If you want more automation, explore Rocketmoney's optional premium features for advanced budgeting insights, subscription tracking, and net worth tools. They're not required, but they can make monitoring your Fidelity accounts inside Rocketmoney even more powerful. That's it. Your Fidelity accounts are now connected and ready to track.